Looking from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. 'Cause space makes me sad. You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be.
We did it. Oh wow, it bleeds. It's like sitting on top of the fabric and then it puddles over. I'm just gonna clean it up with that. Just gonna tap it a little bit because we don't believe in wasting product. No, we don't. It's not finished, but this is like behind the scenes. If you want to see the final finished version, follow me on TikTok. It's gonna be amazing. That's definitely orange, wouldn't you say? I'm making a DIY makeshift soda ash right here because someone stole it out the packet I bought from Michael's, but I wanted to buy it anyway, you know, just being cheap. So all you do is take a bowl full of water, vinegar, and salt, and you dip your tie-dye shirts in there. It's gonna leak out some of the color, but don't worry, that's supposed to happen. It's getting rid of the excess. Then rinse it under the water, throw it in the wash individually. Each one, please, or else you'll run the colors together, and that's it. Okay, now this is where the safety pins come in. What I basically did was I took a ruler and I measured out how far along I wanted to cut down the middle of the shirt. I cut it out and then I tried it on, make sure it's where I wanted it. And then I took the safety pins and I just pinned up the part that I cut. So this is what it looks like before and here's after. I really love this. Did the same thing for all three of them except on the last one, I kind of started to run out of ideas, so I'm really sorry it's kind of bland. But yeah, that's basically all there is to it.
Space makes me sad. 'Cause space makes me sad.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Later!
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides.